Today's video is gonna be in two parts, okay? Two separate parts. So here you go. That's an example of a polarized capacitor. This black arrow here, is indicating that this side of the capacitor is negatively charged. That's why we have a minus sign here. Okay? So this is negative and this other end is positive. So when you perform experiments, you have to make sure that you connect the terminals of the capacitor properly to your charging battery, for instance. This other one, like I mentioned to you, is a capacitor that's not polarized. It's not polarized capacitor, okay? And we have another one, right? Here you go. This one right in here. That's a simple capacitor too that's not polarized either. Okay. Now there are capacitors smaller than that, you know, fit in, and even the cells in living beings, they do behave like capacitors. Okay, think about a cell, the membrane of a cell. The inside of the cell can become negatively charged, for instance, and the outside environment where the cell is located can become positively charged. And the membrane of the cell serves as a dielectric material. And because we have those separation of charges in the inner side of the cell, in the inside of the cell and the outside of the cell, we do have an electric field there. And that electric field has some energy that the cell uses to do useful work, to get the living machinery going. Okay? So what we human beings and every living organism, what do? They are basically, they are electrical, they are devices that use the electrical energy. Okay? Exactly what they said that they're in the Matrix movie, right? In the Matrix movie, the machines use the human beings to extract electrical energy to power the machines. And the humans are in that pod there in the movie. Okay? And let's go back here to the screen, and I'm going to show you something important about capacitors. Why is that doing anything? Record. Are we recording? Yeah, we are recording, right? Yep. But it's not doing anything, yeah? Huh. Okay, it looks like I have to pause.